She offers me protection, a lot of love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong, and down the waterfall, wherever it may take me, I know the love won't break me. When I come to call, she won't forsake me. I'm loving angels instead.
When I'm feeling weak and my pain walks down a one-way street, I look above and I know I'll always be blessed with love. And as the feeling grows, she brings the flesh to my bones. When love is dead, I'm loving angels instead.
And through